Hey, it's your girl Kim here with a quick random rant update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already doing so. But today I went out. I wanted to get like a backdrop, but a realistic looking backdrop. So I just went out and got some things. I'm going to be putting it together tonight. Hopefully I'll be able to film, but I'm not sure because I haven't really used this new camera and I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to set up this new background. But I wanted to, just come to you guys, give you a little bit of an update. As you recall, I did two videos on my Eva Wigs wig, and I wasn't really satisfied with it. Well, the hair melted, so that, would make anyone dissatisfied. So I reached out to them. I'm just going to be going over what happened and just how long it took them to get back to me. So I reached out to them on October 3rd. I said, "Good day, Angela." So now Angela is the person who confirmed the order with me, making sure that the wig was what I wanted, letting me know that it was a final sale, which I'm okay with. Because I buy it. I'm just buying it to review for my channel, not buying it for any particular purpose. So I said, "Good day, Angela. I received the wig yesterday, and today I was flat ironing the hair, and it was melting." That was on October 3rd. They didn't respond. Now, last Wednesday, I emailed them again. I said, "Good day. Not sure if you received my emails as I didn't receive a response." So then last Thursday, I get a response, "Thank you for your messages. First, can you please send us some pictures of the hair?" Now, it's kind of hard when hair has burnt and has melted. Like, how do you want me to send you pictures? So it'll just fall off. Like the burnt pieces will just fall off. It's not like it's canicolon braiding hair where it's clumped up. It's just like burns in between the hair. So I didn't send them a picture because it would be kind of hard for me to send you a picture. So then I responded to them, "I'll do better. I'll send you a link to my video." So I sent them the two links, the one showing that I unboxed the wig so they can know that it's their product because I opened the package on camera, and then the other one where I went to my bathroom to flat iron the hair so they can see that the hair started to melt when I'm flat ironing it. So that was last Thursday. Now Sunday, I emailed them again because, again, there's no response. I said, "Good day. It's been a few days since I sent over proof of your hair melting on camera, and I've received no response back. Can you assist me with this matter?" I feel as though they watched the video and just decided to dismiss me because I'm just a small person here on YouTube. I can't really do anything to damage their brand, damage their company, which is not my goal. My goal is to get what I paid for. And I understand that when you get a wig that's $200, that, it's not going to be the best quality. And I have wigs that are $200. Like I have my Ad Colo wig, and then I also have the other wig that I don't remember the company that I got it from, but it's gray at the roots and purple at the ends. And I use the same methods on all my wigs. Expensive, cheap. My irons stay on the same settings. Like I'm a creature of habit. Nothing really changes. And I did not have these issues with those other wigs. So why they're melting, not really too sure, but let's get back to that email. So then they respond, they say, "Okay, thank you for your messages. Since we failed to open the link that you sent, can you please send us some pictures to check your melting hair? We need to send them to our making department since we didn't meet this condition before." Okay. And here's where it gets tricky. Good. I said, "Good day. I sent over more than you asked for. We're both well aware that this is not hair, as hair doesn't melt. I don't have time to do the back and forth. I'll just put in a dispute with my credit card and they'll reverse the funds for false advertisement." Like I said before, I have many weaves, many extensions, and I've never, ever, no matter how cheap it is, ever had hair melt on me. Unless I intentionally burned it to melt, like braiding hair, canicolon, that's, it's synthetic, it's plastic, it's gonna melt. But real hair? No, never. Now I get a different response. "Hi, thank you for your message. First, we can promise that all the wigs from our company are real human hair and that you can send the wig to professional organizations for identification if you do not believe. The chemical fiber cannot be as soft as the human hair. We have watched the videos you sent to us. Now you can watch the videos. Interesting. And we find that your temperature on your flat iron is too high. Much like the hair on your head, human hair wigs can withstand heat. I'll bet a low level. So when it comes to human hair, it's safe to say that the flat iron or curling iron. However, you should always follow the set guidelines when doing so. First and foremost, it's imperative that you use a low temperature setting regardless of whether it's a blow dryer, a curling iron, or flat iron. Your tools must have a temperature gauge and it must be set at 300 degrees or lower. And since your order is our in-stock Remy hair, it has been kept for some time. Yeah. This is the other tricky part. It will not be as the same quality as a custom virgin hair. Please understand. We have also talked to our supervisor and we can refund you $30 for compensation and 12 to 15% of a discount on later orders. So it's a slap in the face, one, that you're telling me that because the hair has been sitting for so long, it deteriorates, it rots. I don't know if you guys recall, I did a video where I told you guys about a wig that I made from hair that I got from True Indian Hair. In that video, I mentioned that I had that hair sitting because I decided to sell hair and, it didn't work out. So I had the hair sitting for about 4 or 5 years and I have the receipt to prove it, probably even longer. And that hair behaved just fine, like no issues with it. So you're telling me that if hair sits for a couple months, it's going to rot? Like, that just doesn't make any sense. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. In addition to that, you want to give me $30 back. So you expect me to spend $180 on a wig that's only worth about $40 or $50 because it's a synthetic blend, and then give me a discount 12 to 15% off. So you think that I'm going to want to order something from you after I've ordered this and it melted? You got me all the way up. Y'all know what I want to say, but I'm not going to say it. Do I look crazy? I don't waste money. So my response to them was, good day. Oh, wrong email. Let me get back to the right email. Thank you for your message. What is it at? Now I'm getting confused. Let's see. Let's get here. So it's 3 a.m. What did I send them? Confusing. I gotta find this part of the email. Sorry, guys. All right. Oh, there it is. I'm looking this up on my iPad and you have to click to see. Anyway, I said it's not the money, it's the principle. I was very much okay with spending the money. At no point in time did I think the hair would melt. I do understand that hair can only withstand a certain temperature. I also want you to understand that I curl all my wigs at the same temperature, and I've never, in caps, had this happen. And I have over a dozen wigs. I don't know where to go from here, but at this point, but this is not what I thought I was getting. I'm willing to send back the wig and eat the cost of shipping. However, this quality, no matter how long it's been sitting, is unacceptable. And it is. You can't tell me that hair just sits there and it's, what is it? Is it food? It's going to go bad? Like, that makes no sense. So the impression that I got from them is that they were willing to work with me, do something. So this is the response I get back after that. They said, thank you for your message. We can only accept the returning that the wig that has not been washed, tampered, altered, and the lace has not been cut. Please understand. Okay. So my last response to them, this was 3 o'clock this morning. I understand. I'll just go the initial route and dispute the charges. Please understand, because you want me to please understand that you guys sold me something. You expect me to pay $180 for, I don't even know if I want to say synthetic blend because it melted, but like, no. So I put in a dispute with PayPal, for the money for the wig, and I put it as, as I said, it's false advertisement. You're advertising this. They said it's Remy hair. I'm almost certain that on their page they don't have it set as Remy hair. I'm gonna try to look it up because I took a screenshot of it, just because something just kind of told me, keep a record of this, because something is, I don't want to say something is off, but something is off. So I did just that, and nothing about this says that it's Remy hair. I mean, I don't like when people play my money, play in my face, as my friend says. Like, I'm not rich. I work very hard for the things that I have. And, a hundred and, well, not $180. $210 is not cheap for like a wig. It's cheap for a wig, but it's not a little bit of money. Like, I could use that to buy something else to review for my channel, like several things. And you guys are just gonna take this as, like, no, no, unacceptable. Unacceptable.